So, welcome to Lesson 3. We're going to go ahead and get started. You should have done Lesson 1 and 2. Lesson 1 was annotate using Diago. You should pick your document that you're going to use throughout the course. Lesson number 2 is you're going to create a VoiceThread project using the time period and important historical figures of the time period as well as your document. Now, Lesson 3, we're going to paraphrase and explain document details, as you can tell by our lesson objective. Now, the attention, it's all into the details. So I want you right now to pause for a second and recall a detail from your document. Now, what's a detail? A detail is not the entire what the main idea of your document is. A detail is just a teeny tiny portion of that document. For example, I am Mrs. Thompson. That is the main idea. A detail would be that I have blue eyes. That's a detail. It has to do with me, however, does not completely encompass the main idea or who I am. It's just one small detail. So go ahead, recall a detail from your document and talk about what's important about this detail. Is it engaging? Is it give you a different perspective? What struck you about this detail that made it so important? So what we're going to do is we're going to look over some of our annotations from lesson number 1, and we're going to identify what's the main idea of each paragraph, what are the details of those paragraphs. Then we're going to take those main ideas and details and create a Popplet thinking map. We're going to expand those ideas by providing rationale to your Popplets, and then you're going to share your Popplet thinking maps via Google Docs. So after you submit, you're going to go ahead and complete, of course, the student self-assessment. Make sure you do that because you are grading yourself, and then the instructors grade you on your work. And if you need help, go ahead and email.